Hello everyone, welcome to UptimePM. Today I'm going to demonstrate the equipment tab on our web-based dashboard. Once your equipment is uploaded or onboarded into our system, this equipment tab is where you can track and view all of your assets in one place. As you can see here, the meter value, this will be the most current or recent meter value reading on your asset. The name of the asset, which will be the nickname or the unit number, which can be the make and model if you only have one of those assets. But if you have multiple, you're going to have a nickname or a unique name that all of your operators and mechanics can distinguish from other like assets. And then we have how that unit is classified and the VIN and serial number here. Those of you who order parts know how important that is to have that handy. So that's right here. This is not going away. Let's go in and check this asset. And up here is where you will put the nickname or name, unit number, asset number, and this is how it'll be visible in the mobile app. We have some nice drop downs here for you to select hours, miles, or the equipment type. You may have one person in your company, an administrator assigned, to be able to have access to come in here and adjust the meter value should you get some wrong meter value readings. It's very simple. On this asset, you also have to set the expected usage. Our default here is 8 hours Monday through Friday, but it's very simple to either input your expected usage in the box, or you can use these arrows to adjust them very simply. Each asset, in order to be available and visible in the mobile app, besides having a name and some of these other starred items up here, it must also have an inspection template assigned to it. And here the classification of the actual piece of equipment must match the inspection template classification. And I'll have another video showing you how these two things will have to be the same. We can also assign the service intervals here. I'll do another video later showing you that, but this is where we will track all of your service intervals that you input. We'll track the parts, the part numbers, and we'll send you alerts before services due, and then we'll remind you after services due if it has passed. If you have a single location, your location will be defaulted here, but if you have multiple locations, this is where you will assign a location to the asset. And coming soon, we will have this job feature. The job feature will allow you to track your equipment if you dispatch it on a job, and if you would like to track the repair and maintenance dollars associated with that specific job, as well as the hours. If you want to assign a dealer, perhaps this is who you bought the piece of equipment from, or where you order parts from. It's very nice for the continuity of your company should you lose personnel to have all this information easily and readily available. And then, in order for your operators to view this specific asset on the mobile app, you must assign the operator to the asset. Here we only have one, but you can assign as many operators as you'd like. And remember, if they are assigned to this asset, they will be able to view it on the mobile app right when you save the piece of equipment. And you can also assign your mechanics here as well, one or multiple, as many as you'd like. And then once we save this piece of equipment and we have an operator and we have an inspection template and we have the expected usage set, as well as the starred items up here, once we save it, it is immediately available in the mobile app for you to view, for your operators to view, and all of your mechanics to view. Thanks for taking your time today, and I will see you soon.